Hello everybody. I just wanted to remind you that if you're wanting to remember or to understand the colors of the root chakra, all you have to do is look at nature. Let me show you. So if you look at the beautiful red of these gorgeous flowers, that is very similar to your root chakra, the red of the root chakra. Now any color, the greens in nature represent the heart chakra. Now, if you look up at the gorgeous sky, that blue is the blue of the throat chakra. If you look at the sun, that is your solar plexus chakra, okay? If you look at the night sky, it is your third eye chakra. If you look at this gorgeous purples, purpley white. That is similar to the crown chakra. Some people feel it's also might be a stronger purple. There are no definitives. I'm quite open to it. And even orange. I don't think I've got any orange flowers here, but these are sort of similar to your sacral chakra, which is your emotional body. So just start looking out in nature, and it's represented all within. Here's a gorgeous violet, which can also be represented for the crown chakra as well. So just look to nature for your answers. It's all there. And look at that beautiful blue throat chakra. Enjoy, everybody.